Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I'm doing a pearl pour on this 45 by 30 centimeter deep edge canvas. I've chosen a black canvas because I'm doing a very dark pour. I've taped up the back to keep it nice and clean, and I use C-hooks to level my canvas. They're just super easy to adjust and make your life so much easier. Thanks to Gina DeLuca for this great tip. I've made sure that my table is level as well as my drying area. Okay, so the colors I've chosen for my pearl base are all gorgeous metallics from Bastion Paint. I've got coral, purple, violet, azure, turquoise, and deep sapphire. All the paints and products and recipes I'll list in the description box below. So here I'm just painting the canvas to get it a little bit tacky so that the paint sticks to the sides a bit more, and also to wet the canvas so that the paints can slide more easily. I'm using black for my top layer or my puddle color. You'll see that I'm stirring each metallic paint before I pour it, and that's because metallics have a different flow after they've just been sitting for a while. They need to be stirred up. So just give them a quick mix again before you use them. After dumping my puddle color, I'm tilting it off the corners quite quickly before the pearls start forming. If you're still tilting when the pearls begin to form, they'll get very wonky and distorted. So you need to be quite quick about it, but also make sure you take off enough paint, otherwise you won't get as many pearls popping through. And now we wait and we watch the magic happen. I love watching those pearls pop through. They just appear out of nowhere. It's incredible. You have to be patient though. This technique requires patience. What you're seeing here is sped up 70 times. That's 70. It took about 45 minutes to get to this point where I'm showing you the wet results now. It still developed a lot more while it was drying, but how cool is this? I'm so glad I kept this strong distinction between the colors, but where they overlap, you get these cool multi-dimensional pearl cells. And here is the dry result. I'm really happy with the way this painting dried. The pearls almost completely covered the whole canvas. And the shimmer of those metallics is just super cool. I'd love to know what you think of this painting, so please drop me a comment below. It is for sale if you're interested, so pop me an email. You'll find all my contact details below as well, and a list of all the products and ratios that I used in this pour. If you'd like to attend one of my classes, I teach various fluid art techniques. You can make a booking on my website or just drop me an email. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more techniques using only South African products. All right, guys, thanks so much again for watching. Do take care, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.